Ever wondered which database is better, MongoDB or MySQL? Well, today we delve into that question, dissecting the pros and cons of both to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with MySQL. MySQL, a product of Oracle, is a relational database management system. It uses structured query language, SQL, a programming language designed for managing data held in a relational database. MySQL thrives in environments where data integrity and absolute accuracy are critical. The primary advantages of MySQL include its maturity, since it's been around for over 2 decades. It has a robust set of features, a comprehensive set of tools, and a widespread community that can provide support. Its structure allows it to handle complex queries, making it ideal for large-scale data operations. However, MySQL is not without its drawbacks. It can sometimes be inflexible due to its rigid schema requirements. It also struggles with large and complex data sets, and it doesn't scale horizontally as efficiently as some of its competitors. On the other hand, MongoDB is a document database that stores data in flexible JSON-like documents. This means fields can vary from document to document and data structure can be changed over time. The biggest advantage of MongoDB is its flexibility. It can handle diverse data types and manage applications more quickly because it allows developers to query in a different manner that is more sensitive to workload. MongoDB is also designed for horizontal scaling, which can help manage large data sets, but MongoDB also has its downsides. Its speed comes at the expense of data consistency. MongoDB lacks transactions and joins, which are fundamental in other databases. This can make it less suitable for complex transactions. So, which one is better? Well, it depends on the specific needs of your project. If you're dealing with large, complex queries and need absolute data integrity, MySQL might be the way to go. But if speed, scalability, and flexibility are your priorities, MongoDB could be a better fit. In summary, MySQL and MongoDB both have their strengths and weaknesses. MySQL is mature, feature-rich, and ideal for complex queries, but it can struggle with large data sets and is less flexible. MongoDB, on the other hand, is flexible and scalable, perfect for handling diverse data types and large data sets, but it sacrifices data consistency in the process. Remember, the choice between MongoDB and MySQL isn't about which is objectively better, but rather which is better suited to your specific needs. So consider the nature of your project and choose wisely.